This morning I saw that new invention on Facebook about the new the skeeter protector. But all you have to do is go get some knee highs and put over your face and go outside. I was outside mowing the grass, and I keep a can of off right there sitting beside me on my John Deere. And I started spraying some, and two mosquitoes come down out of the sky and took the can away from me and hit me in the head. Now, me being the person that, being outnumbered, I wasn't going to start no crap. So I just let them have it. So I came inside and got the mosquito protector that I saw, and I went out there and I finished cutting my grass. Yes, I finished cutting the whole yard, and not one skeeter came up to me. Now, these beehives, they are actually really good mosquito detectors, and stylish as they said too, because I went out there and I had my hat on, people waving at me, just blowing a horn. I think it's because of this new mosquito protector looks so good. I had one problem with it though. We're gonna have to the young ladies that I saw in the video, they have to modify because I said, hold on a second here. I just dropped my glasses is because I can't see. I cannot keep my glasses on. So what I did was I put some super glue on my nose. I just forget them right now. So put some super glue on my things. They sort of stuck there. Could be good for a while. But I want to tell you something. These skeeter protectors are really, really good, and I think everybody needs to get them a pair. Now I go in there and got these out of Lisa's store. Now I really want to tell you something. I think I got a used pair. I'd probably recommend getting a new pair. But you need to go get you some. Really, really good protector. No mosquitoes. I'm going out there next time. I'm gonna go get some pantyhose. And I'm gonna put my arms in it. I think that would be great. Just great arm protection too. And but when I try that, I'll let you know. So y'all go get y'all some of these knee highs. Well, I mean I call them mosquito protectors. And go out there and cut your grass. Let me know how they do. And see how stylish these things are. You could go anywhere with them. You could go out and you could go to work at these things and nobody even notice, because the skin color is really good, and it does make you feel like you have Botox. I just can breathe real good. Although, so, they'll go back. We need to get a new pair. Yeah. And just let me know how they do. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.